Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, and this phrase for this week I'm suggesting is me tiaki. Here's how to spell it. Me tiaki. Me tiaki. So me tiaki is about protecting something. It's kind of saying, oh, let's look after it, let's be gentle with it, let's protect it. And it could refer to something small and precious, maybe a small animal or an insect or a bird that's been hurt, or it could be to do with a toy, or you could also say it about a child. So me tiaki comes from our book He Aha Tēnei, and we're using it on these pages here to say me tiaki he taonga. Me tiaki he taonga. Let's look after our insects. They're very precious. They're a precious treasure. And I really encourage you to use me tiaki, and the children will copy you and they will start using it as well. I know this will happen because it's happened before. So when children hear you say me tiaki, where you might normally say look after something or be gentle with something, then they will start saying that. All the best.